Hey guys, it's Cristante here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to forward ports on your Verizon Quantum router. So step one, you want to open the command prompt, and you do this by holding the Windows key on your keyboard and pressing R. And that will open up the run window in which you type in CMD and click OK. So now that we have the command prompt open, we want to type in the command ipconfig and press enter. Here we will scroll down to the adapter that we are using, the network adapter that we are using. In this case, I have a wireless network adapter, so it will be wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi 2. And we will need the default gateway IP address. With this IP, we will type this IP in the web browser address window. So in this case, the IP address is 192.168.1.1, which is typically the default. You might have the same one. You want to type that IP in the address bar of a web browser, 192.168.1.1, and hit enter. Here, this will bring you to the Quantum router login page where you will type in the password. This password can be found on a sticker on the actual router labeled administrator password. This changes for each router, so type that in and click OK. Now we're in the main tab of the router. Here we want to click firewall up top. Click firewall and click yes to the do you want to proceed window. Here we're in the general section of the firewall. We want to click click port forwarding on the left. And here we can see all of our active port forwarding rules. Now to add another rule, we'll need to know the IP address of the computer that we're on or of the computer of the server that you're hosting. So in this case, I'm on this computer, 192.168.1.150. To check what your IP address is, you want to open up that command prompt window that we had earlier. And next to IPv4 address, it'll have your IP address. So this we'll have to type to direct where the ports will be forwarded to. So step one, we click the drop down, select IP from menu, specify IPv4 address, type in your IP address, 2.192, and depending on what application we're going to forward, it depends what port we'll have to use. So for example, if I'm port forwarding an application that requires port 8888 with the protocol of TCP, here in application to forward dropdown, we'll click custom ports, TCP, and we'll type in 8888 and hit add. So now our rule, as you can see, appears at the bottom and it's active. I like to click apply, but I don't think we have to. But because it's active already, apply only pertains when you're trying to delete something, but I click apply. And even though it doesn't refresh, that should be it. Your application should forward, and this is applicable to any application, whether it's a video game or whatever you're trying to forward. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any issues, comment below, and if this helped you out, please like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.